Let's delve into something fascinating, the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius and how our thoughts shape our lives. This ancient Roman emperor was not just a ruler, but also a profound philosopher, offering transformative insights into personal growth. We'll explore 7 crucial things to let go of if you want to flourish, inspired by Aurelius's teachings. I'm eager to hear your thoughts on these ideas, so don't forget to share in the comments section. Let's dive in and see how these ancient wisdom nuggets can profoundly impact our modern lives. Stick around for an eye-opening journey. All right, let's start with a tough but vital topic. 1. Explaining yourself to those who've hurt you. When someone wrongs us, our initial reaction may be seeking retribution or demanding explanations. However, moving forward without seeking revenge or exhaustive justifications is a significant step towards personal growth. It's not about excusing their actions, but rather about reclaiming control over your peace of mind. Marcus Aurelius, the wise emperor we've been discussing, emphasized the importance of self-respect and dignity above all else. He advocated for not wasting time arguing with those who have betrayed your trust. Essentially, he's saying, you have better things to do than to waste energy on someone who doesn't value your worth. That's profound advice, isn't it? So, how do we navigate such situations? It's about maintaining composure. Sometimes the most powerful response is silence, a refusal to engage in drama or endless arguments. It's not always easy, but it's undoubtedly worth it. Choosing dignity over petty disputes not only asserts your self-respect, but also sets a standard for how you deserve to be treated. That's the essence of self-respect, and trust me, it speaks volumes. 2. Now let's shift gears and talk about goals. We all set them, but sometimes we get sidetracked by ones that don't align with our true desires or needs. It's like chasing something because it sounds good or because everyone else is doing it. But here's the reality. Ensuring your goals resonate with your true purpose is paramount. Ask yourself, is this genuinely what I want, or am I merely following the crowd? Seneca, another wise philosopher, had insightful thoughts on time management and goal prioritization. He emphasized making the most of our limited time and being selective about where we invest our energy. Think about it. Time is finite, so why waste it on goals that don't genuinely matter to us? Seneca's advice encourages us to be discerning, akin to picking only our favorite items at a buffet instead of loading up on everything. So, remember to align your goals with your true purpose. Don't hesitate to revise them if necessary, and above all, manage your time wisely. It's about prioritizing what truly fulfills you, not just staying busy. Let's move on to a sensitive topic. 3. Oversharing at the end of relationships. We've all experienced it. When a relationship concludes, the temptation to divulge every detail to anyone who will listen can be overwhelming. However, privacy and discretion are crucial. It's not merely about keeping secrets, it's about respecting the privacy of that chapter in your life and the individuals involved. Instead of broadcasting every detail on social media or to your circle of friends, take time to internalize the lessons learned. Every relationship, whether good or bad, teaches us something valuable. It's about reflecting on those lessons, understanding what you've gained, and using that knowledge to grow. Personal healing requires a safe and private space, away from external noise and opinions. By keeping certain aspects of your personal life private, especially after a breakup, you allow yourself the opportunity to heal properly. Remember, it's okay to maintain privacy. It demonstrates maturity and respectfulness. So next time a relationship ends, pause before oversharing. Focus on your personal healing and remember, some things are best kept private. It's all about moving forward in the healthiest way possible. Let's address a common yet often misunderstood topic. 4. Anger. Raising your voice in anger may feel cathartic in the moment, but calm communication is far more impactful. Speaking calmly ensures your message is heard and understood, whereas shouting can often lead to miscommunication. Additionally, channeling anger into focused action is transformative. Instead of venting aimlessly, use that energy to address the root of the problem or to seek constructive solutions. Transforming anger into focused action not only resolves conflicts more effectively, but also fosters personal growth. So the next time you feel anger rising, take a deep breath and strive to keep your composure. It's challenging, but it fundamentally changes how your message is received. Number 5. Now let's discuss social media, a realm where mindless scrolling is all too common. While social media has its benefits, it's essential to use it intentionally. Before opening that app, ask yourself why you're there. Setting a purpose can help you avoid falling into the trap of endless scrolling. Additionally, taking breaks from social media is crucial for mental well-being. Set specific times for social media use, then log off and engage in other activities. By giving your brain a break from the digital world, you foster a healthier relationship with social media and prioritize real-life experiences. Number 6. Next, let's tackle a topic close to many hearts: perfectionism. The relentless pursuit of perfection can be exhausting and counterproductive. Embracing imperfection and viewing mistakes as opportunities for growth is key. Instead of fixating on perfection, strive for excellence, doing your best and continuously improving without succumbing to the pressure of flawlessness. By shifting your focus from perfection to excellence, you create a healthier, happier mindset. Number 7. Finally, let's address negative self-talk, an insidious habit that can erode self-esteem and hinder personal growth. Combating negative self-talk involves replacing self-criticism with positive affirmations and learning from mistakes without dwelling on them. Adopting a Stoic mindset, focusing on what you can control, and maintaining optimism in the face of challenges are powerful tools for combating negative self-talk. In conclusion, each of these aspects, handling hurt without seeking revenge, aligning goals with true purpose, respecting privacy in relationships, communicating calmly, using social media intentionally, embracing imperfection, and combating negative self-talk, is essential for personal growth and thriving in life. If you found this discussion helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, keep growing and stay awesome.